everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Sabrina Isabelle and welcome to my channel. I would love to see you come back and watch more of my videos, guys, and don't forget to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell right at the corner of the subscription so that you guys can get updated of my upcoming videos. Okay, so today's video is all about this palette right here, which is the 35M Boss Moon Artistry palette, and this is from Morphe. I absolutely love the palette so much. So this palette has 35 eyeshadows and they put so cute at the back is 35 Take Charge shades. Loving it. Such a bossy palette. So basically I actually use this palette to create the look it's going on today. I'm absolutely loving this look, guys. I love the purple. Oh, the purple. Look at the eyes. Look at my eyes, guys. I don't feel like I want to take this makeup off. Can I just keep this makeup for the next one? So as you can see, I'm showing you the palette. They have a beautiful range of shades in them. They have your greens, you have your oranges, you have your purples, you have your mauve colors, you have your browns, you have your blacks. So this palette is super versatile. I like the way how they actually created this palette. When they launched this palette, they actually gave you like this sheet with individual names. So you do have names for individual shades for this particular palette. So if you guys want to see the entire swatch of this palette, just stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll give you guys the whole 35 swatches and individual names of this palette. But right now, without any further ado, I'm gonna get this video started right now. So as you can see, I've already got my foundation, my brows, my concealer, and definitely I set my face. Okay, so the very first shade I'm gonna pick up is this shade right here, which is called Vampy Vixen. And I find like this is a very beautiful brown shade for my skin tone for a transition shade. So I'm just gonna use my Morphe R37 and just apply this all over the crease area, guys. Seriously, guys, I have no time to even do my eyebrows. I have not plucked my eyebrows, I have not done my facial. I've been so busy doing my packing, guys. I only have like another like one and a half weeks to actually move out from my current home to my new home. So it's been a very extremely busy past two weeks, guys. It has been really very busy. So using the same brush, I'm going to pick up this shade right here, which is called FOTD, the short form of photo of the day. I'm just going to use the same brush and but this time around I'm going to keep it real low, just at the crease area. Just right there, just real low. I'm not going to really blend it out. And then when there's less product in the brush, what I'll do is just go in the back of my hand, just check whether there's any leftover. No leftovers. Just go in circular motion upwards and blend it together with Vampy Vixen shade. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my crease. Any concealer that you have, I'm using my Morphe M224 brush to go ahead and cut my crease. I'm gonna cut my crease slightly above my natural crease. Look at it, my eyelids are actually pretty small. I wouldn't say that they are hooded, but they have like very small working space over there. So as you can see, I created that lid space over there so that I can actually work, but that is not my actual crease. As you can see, when I actually look up, you can see that I did it a little bit higher, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the shade called Grape Expectation. And yes, I'm just gonna apply this to the inner corner and the outer corner of the lid, leaving the center empty, of course. Honestly, the shade is very beautiful, guys. Can you see how beautiful that looks? So this is application without wetting my brush. And right now, I'm actually going to try to go ahead and wet my brush to see whether the payout will be much more foiled, because this is like a... Oh yes, I would recommend you guys to actually wet your brush to get that foil effect. Can you see the difference? After I apply, it's like super foil right now, guys. Look at the difference between this and this eye. This eye looks pretty sheer, and this looks really beautiful, guys. And then what I'm gonna do is, since I've used this side of the brush to actually apply the purple, I'm gonna flip it the other side right here, and I'm gonna pick up another shimmering shade, which is called Bright Eyes. I'm gonna mix these two up together. Apply that to the center of my lid, guys. Just gonna spritz my brush a little bit to just pick up, make it a little bit more foil. Is absolutely stunning. The color combination though, Wow. Okay, moving on. Just to deepen up the eye look, I'm actually going to pick up this shade called Center of Attraction. And why I like this shade is because it has that black pigmentation in it. It has orange and purple glitter in them. So I'm just going to pick up with my Morphe M562 brush, and I just apply that and deepen up the outer V. Bringing in it a little bit just to soften up the edges. Don't want any harsh edges when you close your eyes. That ain't cute. Going in with that same brush, picking up the very first shade that we picked up, which is called the Vampy Vixen, just to go right above here, just to soften out the edges, guys, because I find that the black is too deep. So I'm just gonna go ahead and soften it up with the Vampy Vixen. Okay, so for the bottom of my eyes, right, I'll be going ahead and picking up the shade called FOTD, which is the photo of the day. I'm gonna pick up that shade and smoke out my lower lash. And I'm using the RG18 brush. That is the only shade that I'm actually gonna put on my lower lash line. For my waterline, I'll be going in with the Sephora Black Matte Eyeliner, just doing my waterline. My wing liner, I'll be going in, of course, my favorite, which is the Maybelline Hyper Sharp Power Black Eyeliner. Just do my wing. For lashes, I'll be going in with the Ardell Wispy Lashes, Demi Wispy Lashes. That is done. That was pretty quick, right? The power of editing, guys. Okay, so real quickly, I'm just gonna go and contour my face. I'll be using the Too Faced Natural Face Palette. I'm gonna go pick up the shade called Sunny Honey. Let's go quickly bronze up my face, guys. And then for blush, I'll be going ahead and picking this shade called Pink Sand. For highlighter, I'll be going in with the Colourpop highlighter in Whisp. I'm kind of actually loving this highlight. So pretty much, I'm actually using this highlighter everywhere on my face where I actually need to highlight. For mascara, I'll be using the SmashBox X-Rated Mascara. Okay, so I'm gonna set my entire face with the fresh Vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Glow Water. I'm loving this stuff so much. And plus, it gives you the extra vitamin water to your skin. I find like that is just amazing, guys. And it does make your makeup last longer though. It does. Okay, so for lipstick, I'll be going in with the Morphe lipstick in the shade Peanut. And then I'll be going in with the Kiss Me lip topper, which is the lip gloss. And I'm just gonna apply this on top of my lipstick, which is called Hot Tea. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed creating this look. I love the purple and how the orange actually complements the purple. I mean, there's no words. I really love the way how I created this eyeshadow look today, guys. If you guys like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this palette. And if you guys want to follow me in my social medias, you guys can actually follow me in Instagram and in Twitter. I'm more active in Instagram because I put out like stories, short makeup tutorials, skincare tutorials in Instagram. So I prefer you guys to actually follow me in Instagram much more than Twitter. So right now I'm actually going to go ahead and show you guys 35 shades of swatches of this palette and how it actually swatches. Looking at the palette right now, before I swatch, I do have to say they have a good range of mattes and good amount of shimmer shades. I find like this palette is really equal. Okay, so I will be definitely swatching from this like row by row by row by row by row. Let's go and get the swatch on, guys. Okay, so the very first shade is called Light of the Party, Pop Star, Stroke of Luck, Express Yourself, and Nude Tube. Can you see how beautiful? This is Green with Envy and Shine Stealer. First shade is called Stand Out, Bold Move, Electric Energy, Hello Sunshine, and Play It Cool. Yeah, I find like this brown is a little bit chalky. As you can see, it didn't swatch properly though. Hot Stuff, Peachy Keen. This shade called Play It Cool did not actually swatch well. So the next row, the first shade is called Fire It Up, Bright Eyes, which I have that in the center of my eyelids, guys. Can you see how beautifully that swatched? Followed by Bossy AF, followed by FOTD, and followed by Dirty Dog. So as you can see, the matte shades are actually pretty, you gotta really like swatch it. I mean, they go on a little bit chalky. So this is called Hot Trout and Sparks Fly. See the shades over here, really beautiful. So the next row, the first shade is called Confidence, Red Carpet, Power Slayer, Daredevil, and Vampy Vixen. You guys know that I actually used this on my crease color today. Followed by Sweet Bits Color Persona. Ooh, the Color Persona. Look at that baby right there. So the last row, the first shade is called Transformer. The next one is called Center of Attention. Indie Glow Queen with the K. Grape Expectations. This is what I have on my list at the outer and the inner corner. And Candy Crush. Followed by Sultry Ways and Black Magic. Right there, as you can see. Beautiful swatch. I truly hope that you guys actually enjoy. I really absolutely love this palette. Would I recommend you guys to actually buy the palette? Yes, of course. I would definitely recommend you guys to actually buy the palette. But the one thing lacking about this palette is it didn't come with a mirror. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.